What is going on, guys? Welcome to Auto Bliss. This is Pedro speaking today, and today we're going to be reviewing this gorgeous 2020 Tacoma TRD Pro in Army Green. So with that being said, let's get started with this video. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe below because we post weekly videos every single week. And comment below, we'd love to hear from you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and let's get started with this video.
Hey guys, let's start this taco up.
Alright, for our 2020 lineup, Toyota has finally introduced TSS Toyota Safety Sense, which includes pre-collision sensors, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and so much more. Best of all, Toyota Safety Sense is standard on all models for our 2020 lineup. Taking a look at the front headlights, you can see that Toyota's definitely stepped their game up. They've added these nice sequential turn signals at the front. You've got the nice LED, and it's just definitely a game changer. Toyota's TRD wheels incorporate the proper weight, offset, and brake clearance to ensure you get the proper fit, finish, and reliability. Taking a look at fuel economy for the TRD Pro, you get 18 to 20 miles per gallon combined, as well as 17 to 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 to 22 miles per gallon on the highway. New for our 2020 lineup, Toyota has integrated this new Remote Connect application, which allows you to do a series of vehicle functions from a distance. It's super convenient with locking and unlocking your doors from your phone, but also checking how your guest is doing behind the driver wheel. You can also start your vehicle, you can lock your doors, check the status of your windows, your sunroof, and also you can even check how much gas you have left. There's so much more functions with Amazon Alexa capability and guest driver settings. The LED lighting is something definitely cool, but one of the most important changes for 2020 is actually the cabin. There's a new 8-inch display that takes up residence and also finally includes both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capability. As Toyota has finally made an agreement with Google and Apple, which the company gets to monitor what the truck is actually doing. There's also now a 10-way power adjustable for the driver's seat, which Toyota finally also added for 2020. The TRD Pro is still powered by a 3.5 V6 engine that uses port and direct injection to produce 278 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque. Taking a look at the interior cabin, you can see that Toyota's kept its nice high-quality materials throughout the entire vehicle. Looking at the center console here, you can see that you've got your heated seats, you've got your push start, you've got all your control settings here, as well as dual climate control and your wireless charger. Looking here in the center console further, you've got 3 cup holders as well as some storage space there and your manual brake. Taking a look at the back end of the TRD Pro, you can see that Toyota's really done a great job with this 5-foot bed. It's integrated with an SMC technology, which is sheet molded composite with fiber reinforcement. Thanks so much for watching this Auto Bliss review. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time we post a video. Until next time.